Today, we're exploring Mother Nature's medicine cabinet to find the best natural nutrients for supporting healthy nerves and potentially easing neuropathy symptoms. Many people struggle with neuropathy, experiencing symptoms like tingling, numbness, and pain, often in their hands and feet. This can be caused by a variety of factors, but one thing's for sure: your nerves are vital for a healthy, active life. Whether you're dealing with these issues or just want to keep your nervous system humming, this video is packed with natural solutions. Let's dive in. First up is turmeric, the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that may help reduce nerve pain and improve nerve function. You can add turmeric to curries, smoothies, or make a soothing cup of golden milk. Combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, to enhance curcumin absorption. Just a pinch goes a long way. Next, we're diving into the world of superfoods with spirulina. This blue-green algae is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that benefit your nerves. Spirulina is rich in antioxidants, protecting nerve cells from damage. It contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid with anti-inflammatory properties. Spirulina is also a natural source of B vitamins, essential for nerve health. Add spirulina powder to smoothies, shakes, or salads, or take it in tablet form. Start with a small amount and see how your body responds. Let's move on to another culinary hero: ginger. Ginger is known for its distinct flavor and ability to soothe an upset stomach, but it also has neuroprotective properties. Ginger contains gingerols, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce nerve inflammation. It may also improve circulation, essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your nerves. Some studies suggest ginger could reduce neuropathic pain. Incorporate fresh ginger into teas, stir-fries, soups or smoothies, or take ginger supplements. Remember, a little ginger goes a long way. Now, let's talk about lion's mane mushroom, a fascinating fungus with potential brain and nerve-boosting properties. Lion's mane may stimulate nerve growth factor, NGF, production, promoting nerve growth, maintenance, and repair. It has also been studied for its cognitive enhancing effects, potentially improving memory and focus. Lion's mane is available in powders, capsules, and as a whole mushroom. Add lion's mane powder to coffee, smoothies, or soups, or experiment with whole mushrooms in culinary preparations. This unique mushroom could support nerve regeneration and overall nerve health. Try incorporating it into your diet for potential benefits. Finally, let's discuss alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, a powerful antioxidant found in some natural food sources. ALA is both water-soluble and fat-soluble, protecting cells from free radical damage. It may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, major culprits in nerve damage. ALA may also improve insulin sensitivity, important for individuals with diabetic neuropathy. While ALA supplements are popular, foods like spinach, broccoli, and organ meats contain ALA. These foods can contribute to your overall intake and work synergistically with other nutrients. Consider adding ALA-rich foods to your diet for nerve protection. Incorporating these natural nutrients into your diet may help support nerve health and potentially provide relief from neuropathy symptoms. Remember, everyone's body is different, so find what works best for you. Nutrition is just one part of a holistic approach to health. Regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and hydration are also crucial. Consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes or starting new supplements. They can help determine the best course of action based on your individual health needs. If you found these natural remedies interesting, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We're committed to bringing you the best in natural health solutions. Share this video with friends or family who might benefit. And don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Here's to your natural health journey.